Let's solve this equation together. It says 2y all raised to power 3 is equal to 64. How do we solve this? Okay, so the first thing to do here is to cross over 64. So we have 2y all raised to power 3 minus 64 is equal to 0. Okay, now the next thing to do here is to write 64. So I can write 64 as 4 raised to power 3. Okay, now this gives me difference of 2 cubes. And the law states that if I have something in the form of a cubed minus b cubed, it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Applying that here, we are going to have this to be equal to 2y minus 4 times 2y squared is 4y squared plus 2y times 4 is 8y plus 4 squared is 16, and this is equal to 0. Okay, now from what we know, when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Now it's either that 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, hence y is equal to 2, or 4y squared plus 8y plus 16, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, now from this point you can see that if you reduce this, dividing everything here by 4, we have y squared plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now solving this quadratic equation using the almighty formula, we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4ac is 16, okay, all over 2a is 2, and this is equal to y. Hence y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 12 all over 2, and this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2i root 3 all over 2. Hence y now is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, so it's either that y is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3, or minus 1 minus I root 3, or that y is equal to 2. Cheers.